Good morning students, welcome back to GK and Aptitude class, and today we will start chapter number 48, that is popular acronyms. An acronym is a word formed using the initial letters of words. It is spoken as a word. An abbreviation is a short form of a word or phrase. All the initial letters of the words are spoken separately. For example, we use AIR for All India Radio. So, we will write the full forms of these abbreviation and acronyms. So, EUC, Emergency Unemployment Compensation. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. NAM, Non-Aligned Movement. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. EST, Eastern Standard Time. NASA or NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. WHO, World Health Organization. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. SWOT, Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities and Threats. WTO, World Trade Organization. IMF, International Monetary Fund. ICC, International Cricket Council. UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. ETA, Estimated Time of Arrival. SUV, Sports Utility Vehicle. UNICEF, United Nations Children Fund. OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Asian, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Interpol, International Criminal Police Organization. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. So, these are the full forms of the abbreviation and the acronyms. Okay, you will write and then you will learn. Next, we will move on to chapter number 49, that is books and their authors. So, books play an important role in shaping the destiny of a being. Identify the authors and name their popular books. We have to identify the authors and we have to write the popular books that they have written. So, first one is Tablin Singh. She has written Darbar. This is her most popular book. Chetan Bhagat, Two States. Shiv Khera, that is You Can Win. The book's name is You Can Win. Vinod Mehta, The Sanjay Story. Mahatma Gandhi, My Experiments with Truth. Umberto Eco, Inventing the Enemy. Next is Vikas Swarup, Accidental Apprentice. Sandipan Dev, The Last War. Jawaharlal Nehru, The Discovery of India. Last is Robin Sharma, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. The options are given here. You may write from here. Okay. So children, next we will move on to chapter number 50, that is sources of food. Food is our basic need. It provides us energy and strength to work. Do you know where do we get the food from? We get our food from plants and animals. So we have here some pictures are given. See the pictures and write their names in the appropriate column. What pictures are given? Beets, cauliflower, garlic, artichoke, spinach, sweet potato, lettuce, collards, broccoli, leek, celery, cabbage, lotus, turnip, carrot. So we have to write in the correct boxes the foods that we get from roots, from stems, from birds and from leaves. So from roots we get carrot, beets, turnip, garlic, celery and sweet potato. From stem, lotus stem, artichoke, leek. From birds, cauliflower and broccoli. From leaves, cabbage, lettuce, spinach and collards. Next we will move on to chapter number 51, that is dried fruits. Dried fruits are rich sources of proteins and minerals. So dried fruits are what? They are rich sources of proteins and minerals. We should include at least a handful of dried fruits in our daily diet. Including dried fruits in the diet of children aids their all over growth and development. So if we include dried fruits in our diet or in the children's diet, it will be helpful for overall growth and development. Almonds. Almonds are rich in unsaturated fats apart from having vitamin B1, iron, phosphorus and copper. Health benefits. What health benefits you get from almonds? Prevents heart problems, protect artery walls from damage, build up bones and teeth, and maintain blood sugar and insulin level, boost brain functioning, nourish nervous system, maintain immunity power, soften skin and hair, improve body stamina, maintains gastrointestinal health, prevent artery inflammation, reduce risk of stone formation, powerhouse of protein. So these are the health benefits of almonds. Now we will move on to cashews. They are very rich in protein and fiber content. So what are the health benefits? Prevents cancer and heart disease, lowers high blood pressure, help hair, healthy bones, nerves, prevent gallstones, help in weight loss, help in digestion, act as antioxidants, high on vitamins, give healthy gums and teeth, eliminate free radicals, protect from muscular degeneration. Okay, these are the health benefits from cashews that we get. Now we will move on to walnuts. It is the only dried fruit or nut that contains the essential omega-3 fatty acids and is high in unsaturated fatty acids or MUFA. Health benefits: rich source of all essential nutrients, strengthens body, maintains cholesterol level, reduces risk of cancer, regularizes body organ functioning, lowers risk of coronary artery diseases, rich source of photochemicals, makes bones and teeth strong, induces better sleep, reduces risk of fat deposition, improves memory power and makes hair strong and long, provides glow to skin and improves blood circulation throughout the body. Now we will move on to raisins. Raisins are nothing but dried grapes, which can be of green or black variety. They are high in sugar content and are very beneficial in preventing diseases. So raisins are what? They are dried grapes. So what are the health benefits that we get from raisins? Help in digestion, reduces acidity, help against anemia, help prevent cancer, help treat infections, improve the blood circulation, improve the hydration of the skin and prevent sagging, contain good amount of calcium which is good for bone and health. So these are the health benefits that we get from raisins. Now we will move on to chapter number 52, that is Indian spices. Spices add taste and flavor to our food. They are grown in different parts of India, mostly in the coastal areas. So thus Kerala is known as the land of spices. So these spices mostly grow in the coastal areas of Kerala. So Kerala is known as the land of spices. So do you know which spices your mother uses to prepare food? Fill the cross puzzle with the help of the pictures given below. So pictures are already given. Number 1 is what? Turmeric. Okay, number 1 is turmeric. Number 2 is nutmeg. Number 3 is cardamom. Number 3 is cardamom. Number 4 is cinnamon. This is cinnamon. Number 5 is aniseed. This is aniseed. Number 6. This is 6. This is clove. CLOVE, clove. Number 7 is cinnamon. Sorry, number 4 is chili. Number 7 is chili. Number 4 is cinnamon. Number 7 is chili. Picture of chili is given. Number 7 is chili. Number 9, this is ginger. This is ginger. and number 10 is resin. Okay, so number 8 is paper. Number 8 is paper, this is resin. Number 10 is resin. Okay, so number 1 what we have seen, turmeric. Number 2 is nutmeg. Number 3 is cardamom. Number 4 is cinnamon. Number 5 is aniseed. Number 6 is clove. Number 7 is chili. Number 8 is pepper. Number 9 is ginger. And number 10 is resin. So children, here we end our class. Okay, you will write down and you will learn. In the next class, we will meet with the next chapters. Okay, till then, take care. Bye and thank you, children.